Did you know a simple milk business can earn you up to 1 lakh rupees per month? Yes, from your backyard, without a fancy degree, and even in small towns or villages. In this video, let's break down how you can start, how much it costs, and how much you can actually earn. India is the largest consumer of milk in the world. From homes to tea stalls, from sweet shops to hotels, milk is in daily demand. That means the market is always ready. Let's talk setup. You don't need 50 cows. Start small with 2 to 4 cows or buffaloes. Here's your basic cost. Each cow will cost you around 1 to 1.2 lakh rupees. A small shed and basic equipment, about 50,000 rupees. Monthly feed cost, around 4 to 5,000 rupees per cow. If you manage it yourself, you can save on labor. Now let's talk profit. Each cow gives around 10 to 12 liters of milk daily. If you have 2 cows, that's about 20 to 24 liters a day. Selling directly to customers at 75 to 80 rupees per liter, your daily income is around 1,500 to 1,900 rupees. Monthly, that's up to 57,000 rupees. After expenses, your clear profit can be 25,000 to 30,000 rupees. Scale it to 10 cows, and you could earn over 1 lakh rupees per month. Want to increase your profit? Don't sell to middlemen. Sell directly to local homes through subscriptions, tea stalls and small hotels, sweet shops and bakeries. Use WhatsApp for daily orders. Offer organic or A2 milk for a higher price. Remember, the milk business is not just about cows. It's about care, consistency, and smart selling. If you're ready to create your own income, the milk business might be your perfect start. Subscribe for more small business ideas and start milking your profits today.